Can I customize my homepage? Yes, you can most certainly customize your homepage in your Zoho CRM account. So the homepage is meant to serve as an indicator of business progress and also helps you keep a track of your everyday activities in CRM. For instance, say as a sales rep, whenever I log into my Zoho CRM account, I want to keep a tab on certain pieces of information, and that includes my current tasks, that is, tasks for the day, and maybe a few deals which are in the product demonstration stage. Now, I am directly in charge of product demos in my company. So, I want to keep a track of deals that are in the product demo stage so that it's easy for me to follow up. Now, in order to go get my activities for the day, that is, my tasks for the day, and deals that are in the product demo stage, first I need to go to activities, look at my tasks, and then for deals that are in the product demo stage, I need to go to the deals module, navigate to whichever view I need. See, in this case, product demo view, it's already here. If I want to keep a track of big deals, I need to navigate to the big deals view. So these are custom views that I have created. Okay, so as you can see, if you want to keep a track of something important in your account, you need to go to different places to get it. So what we have done is given you something called the home page that serves the exact same purpose. That is, it helps you keep a track of your everyday progress. Now the home page in Zoho CRM consists of three types of views: classic view, users homepage view, and shared view. Now, the classic view is something that comes out of the box, and it consists of three components by default, and this view is not customizable. This view consists of three components: my tasks, my events today, and pipeline by stage. Here, when we say my tasks, it is the tasks that belong to the logged in user. That is, in this case, a user called Vagdevi Ravishankar, that's me. So, this component is a list of my tasks, and these are my events today, in this case none, and pipeline by stage. This is a pictorial representation of deals organized by their stages. Okay, so these three are the default components that come as part of the classic view, and I cannot change this. So Zoho CRM has deemed this as, very common pieces of information that many organizations might require. So we have put this as a view and offered this as a classic view. Now that doesn't mean that the users can't have their own view, and that is, to get that, you'll have to go to the user's homepage view. Now this view is completely customizable. I can add up to 10 components in this view. So we talked about deals that I have to keep a track of, right? Deals in the product demonstration stage. So to add that, I need to go to this view and say add component, choose custom view, choose the deals module, and choose the list view, product demo view, call it deals in the product demo stage. Save. Here we go. So like this, I can add up to 10 components, and these components could be either from dashboard, custom view, or widgets. For instance, dashboards are nothing but pictorial representation of your reports. So for example, I can say leads by status. Now you see that these are the different leads in different stages. So there are 30 leads in the attempted to contact stage. There are about 30 junk leads. There are 32 leads that are not contacted yet. So this is a quick snapshot of my leads organized by their status, right? So like this, you can customize this view by adding components that are important to you from different parts of your CRM account. It could be either deals or leads, or your activities and so on. And in addition to the classic view and users homepage view, you have something called the shared view, which is nothing but a homepage view that is pushed to users by the administrator. For example, this shared view is pushed to me by my administrator. Now, administrators or managers, in their point of view, from the organization's point of view, they might want their users to keep a track of certain components. So the administrator creates a view and simply pushes that to the users required. Now that is the shared view. So I have three kinds of views here. Classic view, which is the default view offered by Zoho CRM, and that view consists of three components: tasks, events, and pipeline by stage, and this is not customizable. In order to customize my homepage, I can go to the user's homepage view and add the components that I require, and I can also navigate to something called the shared view, which the administrator has pushed to my role. Okay, so these are the three kinds of views, and I hope this has answered the question on customizing the homepage. And if you have any further questions in this particular subject or any other topic in Zoho CRM, please feel free to post them by commenting below. Thank you.